The Leica sl2 is a premium full-frame mirrorless camera that combines exceptional image quality with robust build quality, catering to both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. Sensor and resolution: 47.3 MP full-frame CMOS sensor delivering high-resolution images with rich detail. Image stabilization: 5-axis in-body stabilization, enabling handheld shooting even in challenging conditions. Video capabilities: supports DCI and UHD 4K video recording at up to 60 fps, with Full HD recording up to 180 fps. Build and design: machined magnesium body with IP54 weather sealing, ensuring durability in various environments. Image quality: delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent color rendition. Lens compatibility: compatible with a wide range of L-mount lenses, including Leica Zone and those from Panasonic and Sigma. Ergonomics: comfortable grip and straightforward controls enhance the shooting experience. Overall, the Leica sl2 stands out for its exceptional image quality, robust construction, and user-friendly interface. Thank you so much.